Today, I read an article in a newspaper. It talked about the Internet of Things. So I asked myself, what is the Internet of Things? And why should I care? Is there something in it for me? I mean, from a business perspective, is there something where I can leverage this new Internet of Things? So first, maybe we should take a closer look into the different kinds and the different steps within the history of the Internet. And we definitely can put the Internet into three different areas. The first area was the Internet of Information. The second step was the Internet of People. So it's all about social media, it's about Facebook, and it's about Twitters. And now comes this new thing, the Internet of Things. And putting all those kinds of Internet techniques together, we are talking about the Internet of Everything. So every step in this evolution of the Internet needed some technology as an enabler. So, but what is an enabler? Let's look at the attributes of an enabler. So from a technology perspective, an enabler needs to be open. It definitely needs to be easy to use and easy to administrate. It should be fast because things are changing in real time. But of course, it also needs to be reliable. So looking at these attributes, they sound quite familiar to me because I've heard about cloud. And cloud computing is open, it is easy to use, it is fast, it is reliable. So that means that cloud computing and cloud technology is an enabler for the Internet of Everything. But now, again, what's in it for me? I know that cloud can deliver new services, and by its attributes, it can create new businesses for me. So let's have a closer look at the new service or the new businesses that are enabled by the cloud service. And how can I bring them together with this new thing called Internet of Things? So I want to create a new business application, a new business service. What characteristics do I think does this need? I want to have actions. I want to create actions with my application. I need to have interfaces. I want to have open connections. It needs to be interconnected. And I also need insights. Okay, so now the Internet of Things data sources, and this can be any kind of data sources. It can be sensor data, mobile data, social data. All those kind of data now needs to be part of my application. So let's look how, for example, sensor data connects to my business application. It sends me data about actions. It is connected. I have open APIs that I connect to the cloud. I can integrate my application to the cloud. But what about the insights? Hey, I remember the good old data center that we have in our enterprise. This data center within the enterprise holds all my critical customer data. It has all my insights. Okay, so let's have a look at the attributes of an enterprise. Of course, my enterprise data center is secured. It is managed. And ultimately, it is optimized for my business requirements. Okay. So now I see I have those two worlds. I have a cloud infrastructure and I have an enterprise infrastructure. But to complete my application, I just need the insights that are in my enterprise. So an integration of the enterprise data into the cloud where my application runs enables me to generate the insights needed for my application. And this will generate new business. So the integration of my enterprise backend systems into the cloud is really key. And now I clearly understand what's in it for me and how I can use IoT data sources in a combination of cloud and backend as a service data to provide new business.